If you're already on an income-driven repayment plan and you're in the market for buying a home, this lets you know and gives you some comfort that most mortgage types will allow you to use that income-driven repayment plan that's listed on your credit report. But it also drives home the importance of knowing how to manipulate within the rules your payment so that it's as low as possible when it comes to apply for other forms of finance. But the two overarching points that I hope to drive home in this episode is number one, as I share all the time on our separate, unrelated podcast, the New Money, New Problems podcast, there's nothing that you do in your life financially that occurs in a vacuum. Everything that you do impacts another area of your finances somehow. And with federal student loans and home buying, this can be seen very easily, right? You can't just make a decision and think that it wouldn't impact your process of buying a home. And knowing the rules and asking the right questions could be the difference between you getting declined for a reason that you don't understand and having a full strategy in place that positions you as best as possible to not let your student loans get in the way of the rest of your financial life. The goal of this podcast is to have your student loans forgiven, reduced, reorganized, or expedited. But we also want to make sure that you don't let your student loans drive the bus, right? It's a part of your journey, but you don't want it to be the thing that dictates all of your financial decisions. This is just one example of how understanding the rules may position you to do something that on its surface doesn't seem to make sense in your student loan journey, but in the totality of your finances allows you to continue pursuing wealth.